Hey Mac lovers, Jonathan here. Today I'm going to show you how to remove Search.Yahoo.com on Mac. Browser hijackers come in many forms. Most are easy to identify as they direct your browser to a third-party search engine you've never heard of. The Yahoo redirect virus is different. It redirects your browser's homepage to Yahoo, a perfectly legitimate and well-known search engine. Let's find out everything you need to know about the Yahoo redirect virus and how to remove it for good. Here we go. So, what is the Yahoo redirect virus? First, it's not a virus at all. Technically, it's a browser hijacker that redirects your browser's homepage and search engine to Yahoo. Why Yahoo? Well, probably because the online criminals hope you'll be less likely to notice the malware if they use the well-known Yahoo rather than a page you've never seen before. But what you get instead isn't the usual Yahoo search results. Each page is flooded with intrusive ads that turn your browsing experience into a real nightmare. But how did it arrive on your Mac? There are two routes Yahoo Redirect uses to sneak into computers: bundling and malvertising. Bundling happens when you download freeware or use torrent downloaders. As a result, you get the app you want to download along with the malware that comes bundled. Malvertising is a technique used to display pop-ups with misleading claims. Once you click on the ad, you immediately get malware installed on your Mac. Unlikely that Yahoo Redirect can cause any severe damage to your system. But why is it still so dangerous? In the long term, malware can cause a system slowdown and consume a lot of CPU and RAM resources. There's also a risk that it'll steal your personal data and share it with third parties. So eliminate the Yahoo Redirect virus as soon as you detect it. Luckily, it's a piece of cake, and I'll show you how to do it step by step. I'm going to start by showing you the faster automatic way. Then I'll describe how to remove Yahoo Redirect manually. The simplest removal method is to use an anti-malware tool. Notarized by Apple, CleanMyMac X quickly deals with Mac-specific viruses. It'll take a few clicks to scan your Mac with CleanMyMac X's malware removal and get rid of any malicious app. Any files related to system performance won't be touched. The interface of this app is absolutely gorgeous, by the way. Best of all, you can try CleanMyMac X for free. Find the download link in the description below. So here's how it works. Once you download and install CleanMyMac X, launch it and go to Malware Removal in the sidebar. Hit Scan to launch the detection process. The tool will check your Mac for malware and show you the results. Once done, press Remove to get rid of the threat once and for all. Great! To play it safe, turn on Real-Time Malware Monitor. Click on CleanMyMac X menu. Choose Preferences, then select Protection. Then tick these two checkboxes to enable real-time protection. Now the tool will compare anything you download with a regularly updated database and eliminate any threats right on the spot. If you'd rather remove Yahoo Redirect manually, you should bring your browser back to default settings. What browser are you using? Share in the comments below. I'm going to start with Safari, then show you how to do that on Firefox and Chrome. Launch Safari, go to Safari menu and select Preferences. Then choose Extensions. Look for extensions that are related to Yahoo. See any? Select it and hit Uninstall. Once done, go to the General tab and change the home page to the one you like. Finally, head over to the Search tab. Pick the search engine you want to use. My preferred one is Google. Now it's time to remove suspicious extensions from Firefox. First, launch Firefox. Type this line into the address bar and hit Enter. You can copy it from the description box. Look for any extensions that shouldn't be there. If you find one, click on the three dots next to it and hit Remove. Now, type this into the address bar. You can find this command in the description as well. It leads you to your browser settings where you can change the home page and search engine. Choose Home to set your home page. Then go to Search to pick your default search engine. After it's done, get your Chrome browser back on track. Here's how. Launch Chrome. Head over to Chrome://extensions. Just copy this command from the description box and paste it into your address bar. You can also click on the three-dot icon at the top right of your browser and go to More Tools, then select Extensions. So here's a list of your Chrome extensions. Look for the one you don't remember installing. Click Remove next to it. Great! Now type this line to go to Settings page. Choose On Startup in the sidebar to set your preferred start page. After that, go to the Search Engine tab and pick the one you want to use. Once you complete all these steps, your browser should work as usual. If you don't have time to remove Yahoo Redirect from every browser manually, you can try using CleanMyMac X to reset Safari, Firefox, or Chrome. Launch CleanMyMac X and choose Uninstaller in the sidebar. Find the browser you want to reset in the list of apps. Click on the arrows next to Uninstall, and then choose Reset from the menu. Finally, press Reset. Now your browser is as good as new again. To reset Safari, you'll have to grant CleanMyMac X access to system apps. Go to CleanMyMac X Preferences and in the Ignore List tab, choose Uninstaller. Deselect Ignore System Applications. Then reopen CleanMyMac X and go to Uninstaller. Reset Safari the same way as you do with other browsers. Hope this video was helpful. Check out the description for links and extra details. Subscribe if you want to stay tuned, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See ya!